awesome day. I welcome you all to this H109 Prime Video, Hassle Video, an awesome documentary. Make sure to never use that word. Whenever you use that word, that means that you are not aware right now. And I think I'm not aware just because that rickshaw wala drove just on my left side. So I got confused what to say. But I really warm-heartedly welcome you all to this amazing. I'm dripping. My sweat is just making me so much wet. That's a really good one. I'm hustling. I love this hustle like every day. My legs are not completely recovered from yesterday's longest journey. I went till some different I think it was a different area, like a really different area. So yesterday I went there, but today I had really important tasks. Yesterday I got the right idea what I need to do, what I'm good at and what I should do. And that person was right. Shiva Enterprise, that person was really right that I can do that thing. So I'm again going to that person second time. I think it's not a good thing to pitch somebody again and again. But when you have the right idea, when you have the right concept in mind, there is no harm or issue in, you can say, there is no harm or issue in going back again and ask, hey, let's do this. So, in a similar manner, we have a task, we have something in mind, and I have prepared it. Yesterday I prepared it, and after preparing it, I just printed it again. I spent 80 rupees printing it. Oh my god, that was a big money. Nah, that was not a big money. But it's okay. I had to print it. I listed it, the proper thing in my file, just the way it should be. I created the document, and now I'm here to again said just because that rickshaw wala came in front of me. Only reason. Again said whenever I said the only moment I get unaware. So that's one thing which I should really know. And once I know my mistakes, I can really work on them very good, very nicely. So yes. And apart from that, nahi bhaiya, thank you. Apart from that, this is very normal. Like, there are many rickshawalas and we have to be kind with each one of them. I was telling you that you learn from your experiences, you learn from your journey. And yesterday, when I went there, I like so far away from that point when I went, so far away. And when I came back, I had many thoughts. What went wrong, what I am doing wrong, and what I need to figure out before pitching somebody else or before talking to somebody else. He was absolutely right. And I got that idea after I pitched around 45 companies in Delhi. So that was a very nice one. You may find many people staring at you, doing your thing, but it's okay. Like, it happens. When somebody is there to go different, people will watch. People will say something, and especially when you are wearing such kind of clothes, people will definitely say something. They will laugh at you, but this sweat is something which is going to pay off one day. I've heard about this many times. It's very usual. It's not usual to not commit your mistakes. It's very real, it's very usual to commit your mistakes. It's very usual to be professional and to help people. And if you're good at something, don't hide yourself from the world. If you're really good at something, please help people getting through the problems. Please help people be more happier in their life. It's not just about you, don't be selfish. It's about everyone. Keep up the hustle. This is me documenting this journey. I'm already almost wet, and this is the Delhi journey. This is the place, awesome place, which we are going to go in the same office in that Jan Tower 2. In that Jan Tower 2, 605, I think. 607 or 605. Shiva Enterprise. Let's go. Shiva Infotech, I think. We'll have a conversation with that person. I know that it's going to be a no, but it's alright. Even if it's a no, my mind will pull out something new, something innovative even after that. So I believe in that concept, believe in it really so much. So it hardly matters. Very excited to go there, to have a conversation again with them and help them overall. Try to just make every one of them happier. Let's do this. My camera ain't that good, but we have prepared another one. Just a few ideas which I got yesterday, and yesterday's journey, I can say I got a few better ideas which I should implement and which will be more suitable for the companies and for myself to express myself and express my skills, what I can do for them. So it is a more stabilized way. Now I'm going to that company, and this is the second time. See, many people would say that like a rejection or first impression is the last impression, and first impression, if the meeting went very bad, then there is no way you can work with them again. And me prepared second time this, and just going without any appointment, just going into them to meet them and ask them, sir, may I have your 5 minutes? Can I help you, please? I can help you. I know that I can help you, but here we are again. Let me tell you what happens next. This is the place. First impression is the last impression, guys. Ha! But don't give up. It's okay. It happens, man. You can't beg for something, man. You have to take what's yours. There's a few wrong things going on. Few not very good things going on. My brother's health is not good. So that is one thing which is going on in my mind. But I'm not blaming it. I'm emotionally weak. That is why I left my job, just because I wanted to be more stronger, be more responsible. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll witness this journey. We'll witness this amazing journey. I'm sad that I begged for something. Helpless in that cabin, in that situation. It was not good. I'm not this person. He said that you have time, I don't have time. I have time and he don't have time. He said that. I'm here to help you. I'm here to increase your revenue. I'm here to give you more sales. And you're saying that I have time. You don't have time. I understand. It's okay. I really understand that. It's okay. It was my bad. I couldn't express nicely. I'm still in that emotional zone in my mind. That's why I couldn't give my 100%. But let's see. Let's witness this journey. What happens? We will see what worst can happen. The worst makes the best the best. Oh, I called them after facing that biggest rejection. I was like literally it was my biggest mistake what I did in front of them. My biggest mistake. Like I was literally begging for the work. I told them 1 month I'll do for you free of cost. And I told them that for 3 months I'll do for you for free of cost. It is not actually practically possible. I don't even have the money, like that kind of money to survive or to eat food for that moment. So it was really not possible, but still just emotional breakness which I have, emotional, like who else is not emotional? Why life is teaching me this, I don't know, but I will blame myself. I need to be more stronger than who I am right now, and really I need to learn a lot of things. This is one of them, that don't break out in the conditions where you have to stand out. Don't break out in the conditions where you need to stand out, because once if you do, there's all that kind of life which is staying in front of you, which is you can say that is what you are looking for. So to have that kind of life, you need to have that kind of vision, you need to have that kind of mindset. Don't break out, don't break out. Just do it. Let it bring, let it go. moment before somebody says yes. Like it's not the actual client which you should pitch. Or there is no comparison. He is not the person who you are looking for or you might be looking for. The person who needs you will say yes. The moment I'm just sitting, you can say sitting at home won't get to you, like won't get you to the person whom you should be talking to and whom you should be connected to. Make sure, please, make sure that you never stop the search, never stop searching, and that is how you do it. That's the only thing which I could say. Keep hustling. Keep hustling. That's the one thing which I can say to you. Keep hustling. Never give up. Never ever give up. No matter how sick is your brother, no matter how sick is your mom, no matter how much you are missing your girlfriend, no matter how many rejections you face, no matter how much money you have in your bank account, no matter how much broken you are from inside, no matter how many rejections you face, just don't give up. The moment you give up is the ultimate zero. You have to start from basics again. The moment you give up from that moment, it is like you are done. So please try not to give up. Right now I am in a situation where that 10 kilometers behind me I have searched every company, and 10 kilometers from where I live upwards, one is behind me, one is in front of me. So behind part is already covered. The front part is, I think front part is remaining, and front part is not remaining. Actually I covered this too. In the Janakpuri district I covered almost all of the companies. I talked with them, I had a conversation with all of them, and it didn't went the way it should, but it's okay. Maybe I didn't reach to the right person at the right moment, at the right point, and at that point he would say yes, and I'm still trying. This moment will be recognized by me one day, because I know I never give up. I know, like whatever happens, whatever worst happens, I never give up. This is what I do. This is the bridge in between of the road, and I'm standing and recording this documentary. Whoever is trying to hustle, whoever is trying to work hard, just remember that the only thing, the only rule you should have in your mind, no matter how good you look or how bad you look, what you wear or what you don't wear, the numbers and numbers and numbers and numbers, the n numbers of problems which you are facing in your life right now, the n number of problems, no matter how bad the life is going on, no matter how many situations you think you may come through or you may have to go through, just remember this one thing, right? Just remember, never give up. One rule, never give up. Never ever think to give up. You are just moments away from reaching the right person or meeting the right person who is going to be the first person of your journey. Just moments away. And the moments, for those little moments, you don't have to say no. You don't have to go at home and cry. You don't have to go home and just sleep. You don't have to blame your soul for the things which is not happening right. It is just, you are just moments away from that right person. So the only thing which will bring you closer to that person and closer to your moment is you not giving up, and it is you standing out in front of all those opportunities and you saying yes to all the opportunities and all the rejections, and you still working hard and hard and hard and hard and hard. Hope you understand. I'm in middle of something, in the middle of the bridge. Just had so many rejections, man. But it's okay. Keep hustling. Keep hustling, brother. Keep hustling. Just changed our decision of going to room or like thinking about something. to just search for opportunities, search for more companies. Yes, I did change my decision. I was actually going to Rome, but then I thought, I'm documenting this journey. I need to get. If I'll fail through the rejections, then who will win? Nobody is trying to resign their job or having this kind of life. We are here to do it. We are here to win this. Not just to document this. We are here to win this. Let's go. Let's hustle. Let's find some new place. Let's roam around. See what's there. What's there for us? What's one thing we can win? We won a lot of things, and here is something we can chill again. Okay. Here right now, just trying to. This is the police station which is in front of me, and this is the place where I'm standing right now since. Can say half an hour. I think half an hour, 40 minutes. I just called. I just figured this out that when I changed my decision, when I went from that place to this place, I saw that the area changed, due to which when you search on Google, there are multiple companies. Like if you change the area and you then search for nearby companies, then the Google will show you more companies to talk to. So I just had a list of them from Google. I called each one of them, but I couldn't find anyone relevant yet. I am really tired, but it's okay because I believe in my thing which I do, which I am going to do for some company which is waiting for me to call them and which I haven't reached yet. So very soon I'll reach them, very soon I'll be able to help them. But to reach them, I need to face all these rejections. To reach them, I need to be very sure, 100% sure that rejections is a part of the journey which comes with it, with the success. So make sure you have a touch. I don't feel bad when somebody says no, we don't need you, or I'll call you 1 year later, or we don't have any kind of requirements, or it's okay, send me the profile and email, or this or that, like anything. So I don't feel bad for that. I just know that this is not the right moment I called them, or this is my responsibility to keep asking people or keep up the streak. So one day, one moment, that person, I'll be in touch and I'll help them grow, and that will be the start and the initial of the journey. So keep hustling. I'm still on the same path, still on the same journey, just searching for more. This is right now, it is 4:40. It's evening, 4:40 p.m. and alright, see ya, keep hustling. Just made so many calls that I just got a thought that these numbers are going to end one day. Like one moment, these numbers, these IT companies are limited and they'll end. But the next moment, just microseconds in that moment, I got this thought that my life is going to end. What about these numbers? Let's call all of them before I die. Okay, let's search for more. I really believe in something which I call sales, and I know I can help everyone one day. I will, for sure. Suprem's Info just got a meeting fixed in that company, and somehow I got one lead. Let's go. Keep up the hustle. Be more confident. Keep hustling forever. Keep hustling. Keep up the hustle. Never give up. TC Jan Tower 2, 8th floor. They are going towards the 8th floor. अगर मैंने quit कर दिया होता ना उस time पे, तो this wouldn't be the second opportunity. But I called so many people. I'll show you the screenshot. I called so many people, and this is the result. We have one meeting set for 5:30, 8th floor, with the company. Somebody is going to enter. Keep hustling. Nobody entered. That's our destiny. It is. Let's go. 8th floor. Best. I did so many. I can't tell you how many calls I did in that in this duration. It's right now it is 7 o'clock. Let me tell you, this is 7 o'clock and we did so many calls in this duration since morning to like since afternoon 2 or 3 o'clock when the guy rejected me. From that moment I made all the videos. I showed you all the videos, that motivation, that guts, that feeling you should have in your mindset, that never give up thing, what does it means. And I made so, like I'll show you the screenshots, how many calls did I made, and after all the efforts, finally we got a client, we got a person whom I can work with complete dedication. I'll give my best, maximum efforts to that person, to that company. They're having an office, great company. They're providing web solutions, everything they're providing, all the solutions they're providing, and we are going to work. Like right now, I'm going to work with them, and they're going to provide the leads. I'll do the thing which I'm best at, that is closings, sales, closing, softwares, applications, hostings, firewall, antivirus, everything. So that's really awesome. Like the best thing. I couldn't. No, just the best. So this is what I really wanted to show you, or like really wanted. This was the main purpose of documentary. This is what happens. Like I believed in this thing so much that when it happened, it really felt so good. Like really, I that was really good, man. So we're going to start the works from Monday. Hopefully from Monday we'll start the work, and it's going to be an amazing journey. The first start of the journey. We are going to be in Jan Tower 2, where the company name is something like, he was a great person. So Jeet Ji is a great, awesome person, and very like a visionary person, an awesomely visionary person, is a very charming person. So we are going to learn a lot of things from him, and being in his company, really being in his companion, I can say, being with him in that environment will really help me grow, will really help him grow, and I'll do my maximum closings, which will really help him and his company grow to like maximum heights. Now my next target is to just take it to the next level, take it to the next test level. So really, that was something. Got a client, got a person whom I can work with. He'll provide me the leads. I'll work on his leads. I'll do the closing part, and then once we show the results, we'll assign some employees for his company, and they'll do the sales. We'll be having some targets which we'll be focusing on, and we'll give our best efforts to complete those targets every single time, every single month. We'll be just banging on the sales, helping people out, getting some best services from Sujit Ji, and it's going to be an awesome journey. That's what I told you in the afternoon, in the evening. If I would have given up in that bridge, there would be no possible way that I could make it to the next level. So that was the thing which I was talking about. That was the thing which I told you. And this is what happens in reality. When you don't give up, you have everything in front of you. When you don't give up, you have every single opportunity in front of you, and you can just get it on. The bigger you need, the bigger you want, the more rejections you are going to get. The maximum people are going to say no, but the one person is always waiting for you. That person is always waiting for you. Remember this one thing. The bigger thing you want, the best results which you are expecting, or the things which you think you are capable of or you can do, the bigger it is, the more time it is going to take, the higher the amount of rejections which you are going to have. But really, you will get it. At the end, you will get it. So that was awesome. Loved it. Woohoo! Let's go, baby. Let's hustle. Now starts the journey with Sujit Ji, and we'll give our 110% every single day. We will give our 110%. get this closings, get every single thing at maximum. We're going to help them. We're going to really help them a lot. Just finished those meeting and came towards my home, and around 8 o'clock I had another meeting fixed. So first I got thought that shall I do it or not, but I have the opportunity and I can. That's a good company. That person is Ankit ji is a very good person. So let me ask, let me talk with them, and let's see what they say. Let's see. Oh my god, that bike rider was really next level. So yes, that's one of my thing. We'll see. 8 o'clock I'm here. I'm here at the right time. So things were going on. Chill out. दिल्ली है भाई, दिल्ली में ये सब चलता रहता है, लड़ाई झगड़े. But I learned something from that fight. Lol. No issues. Be bold enough. Be bold enough. Be bold enough. Be bold. Whatever happens, be bold. 8 o'clock. We have the timings fixed. I'm here at the right time. I thought let's do this meeting too. So I'm here to do that meeting also. And once we get this done, it will be all clear. Then we'll go home, we'll eat something, and then we'll read about some more topics. We have many more things to do, we have many things to read, many things to study. So once we do that, that will be really it. It's going to be amazing. It's really going to be an amazing journey. Let's see if we can manage. And I know I can manage. I believe in my skills, and that's what I believe in the most. Let's hustle. Let's hustle.